All right guys, I'm gonna show you how to put a new license plate on the front. This is an Acura RDX, and this is a license plate bracket here. So I'm gonna show you how to install this bracket. Now it's not too hard to install this. It's actually tougher to find these because a lot of times we actually got a universal bracket. I bought a universal bracket. I said, hey, this will be great to put on, but look, if you come to the front of the Acura RDX, it's got this design to it. So if you try to put a straight bracket on there, you'll have to bend the bracket on there and it's gonna be an issue. So I was forced to go and actually get the OEM type bracket. You can get some that look a little bit different than this, but the thing with this is that when you put this on, it's gonna go like this. And it has a little divot that's gonna line up with this little bend area, and it's gonna look like that on here. And you're gonna get some bend towards the front. And you may be asking, well, the license plate bends, but just very slightly, and then you attach the license plate. It has some little drilled divots here, and you just put the screws into there to attach the license plate. All you need really, these screws. Now this one, when we bought it, it didn't come with any screws. I actually am borrowing the screws from this universal license plate, so I can't send it back. But I'm gonna need more screws than this. So we'll start off here though. And what you're gonna wanna do is bring it up, and you'll see on the actual license plate, it's got a slight bend on the back, and you'll want to align the bend right here. See that line going straight down the middle on the car? You'll wanna line that up with this little divot here. Just kind of, and you'll kind of wanna go back, look at it like this, make sure it's right in front. And the bottom's gonna be right here. To start off, we're gonna actually put a screw in here to hold it. And that's gonna be like on the right side of this little bend right here. And these ones came with washers. I don't really think you need a washer here, and we got her screw in the hole. Now, I don't think there's any divots or pre-drilled holes right here, unfortunately, which is kind of weird because in certain states you need a front license plate. But in the state that I got this car, you didn't need a front license plate. So they didn't actually even include this, which is kind of weird to me. I would think they would, but I'm just gonna go ahead and hand tighten this starter screw here. There we go. It might take a little bit of effort to get this going in, because what it'll do is it'll first go through this and then it'll shoot out and have a harder time going through this because there's no pre-drilled holes. And that feels pretty good to me. It's on there pretty decent. And you have a nice flush mount because it's coming at an angle. If you were to do this with a flat license plate, you would need to, it would bend the license plate and I'd be afraid it would pop off. You've got the top secured, and we're going to go under the bottom. You have this little clip here. If you look at the side, the clip is going to kind of come over. You're gonna push this up. See that hole? When you put a screw through that hole, it's gonna bring this in all the way and clip it tight to the actual front of the car. Now, this license plate didn't come with these screws, so that's something that I had to buy extra. It came with the universal plate, and I'm having to scrounge around for a second screw for the other side here. So we'll go ahead and take the screw. It'll go right in here, and we'll hold it with the other hand to make sure that clip is gonna fasten on to the frame. And there's a little metal clip in the back that it's going to bring down and tighten onto the actual frame. And we're just going to repeat this on the other side. And so this is what the screw is gonna look like going through this part, and then it's not going through this part in the back, it's just creating that little clip. It's bringing the clip forward to make sure this is not coming off of your car. And now at this point, I just picked up some license plates, fasteners, or screws. This is what these look like. And then I just put the license plate on. It did have a slight bend to it when I was putting these on, but it wasn't too bad. I hope this helped, guys. And let me know in the comments if you've had any success with putting these types of brackets on.